चैन मेरा ले गई आ दिल विच बह गई आ बुलियां ते चुप ओदी सब कुछ कह गई आ अखियां ना गोली मार दिया अंदरों प्यार भी कर दिया अखियां ना गोली मार दिया अंदरों प्यार भी कर दिया कुड़ी दा पता करो केड़े पिंड दिया केड़े शहर दिया.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be covering how to create this beautiful Indian pre-wedding Sangeet look. We'll cover the step-by-step on how to create this beautiful smoky eye and how we got such a clean, dewy complexion. So if you guys want to learn step-by-step, just keep on watching. To start off, we're going to apply the moisturizer, which is the Estoderm Hyaluronic Moisturizer, all over the face using a Real Techniques brush, and then we'll blend it into the skin using a Pixie Beauty stippling brush. Next, we will go in with the Pharmacy Cheer Up Vitamin C Eye Cream. You can go in using your fingers and massage it into your skin, or use a brush like I did. Now using the Versali Unicorn Essence Serum and Primer, I'm going to give the skin an extra hydration. Since the serum is water-based, it's easier for your skin to soak it all up and get all the benefits from it. Now using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, we are going to blend in a thin layer onto the moisturized skin. The trick is to allow the formula 1 minute to fully absorb into the skin. The primer is great for a dewy complexion and for your foundation to actually grip onto your skin all day long. Next, going in using the Kevyn Aucoin Skin Liquid Highlighter, we're going to give the skin an extra glow. I like applying this under the foundation to give more of a natural dewy complexion without the skin looking shimmery or glittery. I'm using the color Sunlight. I first apply with my brush and then go in and blend it out with my beauty blender. Went ahead and filled in the brows using the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow in the shade 5 and set it using the 24-hour brow setter. We then cleaned up the brows using the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape in the shade Medium, then using the same shade and a fluffy brush to prime the eyelids. We use the Charlotte Tilbury in the shade 2 to set the eyes. Using Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop, we're going to highlight the tear duct and the brow bone. For eyeshadow today, we're going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry and Soft Glam palette. We are first going to start defining the crease. I went in with the shade Birch from the Sultry palette, the big fluffy brush to start the crease. Then mixing Burnt Orange and Sienna from the Soft Glam palette, I went under the original crease color. The goal is to get a nice gradient effect. Then I went in using Twig and Slate from the Sultry palette and lightly started darkening the outer crease. Now we carefully apply the color Noir with a flat brush. I didn't want my shadow to be extremely dark. I wanted to build the black pigment. If you want, you can always go in with a pencil liner first, apply the black pigment, and then blend out the shadows. Basically just a flip from what we did today. Lastly, I went ahead and buffed out the shade Mulberry from the Soft Glam palette and blended it into the crease. This helped blend out the black color. We're going to use a Huda Beauty Life Liner to apply the eyeliner in the waterline, the tight line, and smudge it on the top of the lid as well. This liner does not move and is so good for bridal, so waterproof. Using the Pink Orchid Studio Lit Liner, we're going to slightly wing out the eyeliner on top. We're going to use the lashes by Boss Babe Lashes for a beautiful fluttery eye look to match the smoky eye. Before doing the foundation, we're going to rehydrate the face using the Smashbox Primer Water. Correct, we're going to use a Lip Tinted Hue Sticks in the shade Rise. This is my favorite color corrector at the moment because it's so blendable and it covers dark circles so well. I basically apply the corrector in all the areas that I feel like there's discoloration, any hyperpigmentation, for a beautiful clean complexion at the end. I like blending out the corrector using my beauty blender, but you can also use your fingers and it blends beautifully. It's all up to you. To conceal any red spots, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Green. For foundation, we'll be using the Full Filter Foundation by Huda Beauty in the shade Toffee and the Hello Happy Flawless Foundation by Benefit Cosmetics in the shade 5. After stippling in the product with my brush, I like blending it out with the beauty blender. The foundation actually works better if you apply and blend section by section on the face. I personally love the finish that these foundations mixed together gave to her complexion. For concealer, I'll be mixing the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape in Medium with the Too Faced Born This Way in Golden Beige. I apply it with a fluffy brush and map out the entire face. I apply the product even around the mouth area due to hyperpigmentation. I spray the MAC Cosmetics Fix Plus and Gold Light before blending out the concealer. I feel like setting spray between layers keeps the complexion dewy, fresh, and long-lasting. I then set the under eye using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Powder in the shade 2. It's my absolute favorite powder at the moment, and lightly setting with a compact powder before baking ensures you have less creasing and a full coverage under eye. I'm going to be baking using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake in the shade Banana Bread. I apply under the eyes and around the mouth for the smile lines to make sure everything is even and set properly. To contour, I'll be using the LA Colors Contour Kit in medium. This is a great affordable product to add to your kit and so easy to use. To bronze up the face, I'll be going in with the Pretty Vulgar bronzer. It's not too shimmery and has a matte finish, which I love, and it's great to add more dimension to the face. I'll also use it to contour out the nose as well. Majority of the time I like using a powder to contour the nose for more of a natural finish. Now we're just going to sharpen out the contour and clean it up using the Banana Bread setting powder. While the under eyes are baking, I like to finish off the eyes. This makes sure that if there's any fallout, it's easily cleaned up. I follow the same steps and colors as the eyelid at the bottom. However, I go in and blend out the Lifeliner by Huda Beauty for more of a darker finish. The biggest tip I can give is blend, 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 and work slowly. Don't rush and take your time. I just wipe off the baking powder and brush it all over the face. Finish off the eye, I'll be using the Metal Shadow in Bamboo Hoops for a pop in the Tear Duct by Huda Beauty. To highlight, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dipped Glow Kit and apply it with a fan brush. To top off the highlight, I'll be going in using a smaller fluffy brush in the Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop, which I love applying to the nose area for that blinding Instagram glow. Next, for blush, I'll be using the Elmar Cosmetics Medium Tan Blush Trio and mixing the middle and right color. For lips, I'll be using the Huda Beauty products, the matte liquid lipsticks in the shades Trophy Wife and Bombshell. And to finally set the face, I'll be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. I love this stuff. It makes sure your makeup stays fresh and flawless all night long. The thing you don't want to forget about is the body. I applied the Anastasia Beverly Hills Shimmer Body Oil to get that glam effect for the perfect off-the-shoulder look. And there you go. Thank you everyone for watching this video and following my step-by-step of my beautiful bride. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time.